Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is take this off. So I have done a video uh, 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 just here. Look at that. Click on that, of how to remove gel polish. So this is gel polish. Remove that and then we'll get started. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial, we are going to do a dottature, is it called? Using a dotting tool to make flowers, and I am using normal polish, not the gel polish. So at the beginning, as you saw, I did remove my gel polish manicure, and we are going in with a base coat, allowing that to dry, and then Barry, it was a very nude colour. Okay, so we're going to do 2 coats of that, and then we're going to get into our colours. So I'm distributing all of those colours you just saw onto a tinfoil. So it's a yellow, an orange, or it's more of a coral, a pink, a green, and also a white. I'll get into the white in a minute. So I've just popped 2 yellow dots using the biggest dotting tool, the biggest dotting end, onto my middle finger. I'm sorry, I jump around each finger because it is normal polish. Have to wait for it to dry. I've been spoilt with gel polish, which has given me an idea for my next video. So stay tuned for that one. And we're going to go into my pointy finger, my pointer, and just doing 4 little dots with the littlest dotting tool of each of the colours there, the yellow, the coral and the pink, just doing some really simple flowers. So what was I going to say? I don't know what I was going to say. We're just going to go in with that anyway, and once we've done that, we are jumping onto our middle finger again. So we've done our flowers covering our nails. You can do however many you like. On our middle finger, we are going to go back in with the biggest dotting tool, the same as what we used, and I'm going to do bigger flowers. So I'm dipping into that coral colour. It looks very orange. How annoying, it's coral. And doing bigger flowers, as you can see, it's quite self-explanatory. Just dotting them on. So I just do 2 flowers on my middle finger. I can't remember what my finger is called now. And then we're going to go on to our ring finger, and I'm going to do little flowers on my ring finger, and I'm doing them along like the French line, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going to do them straight across, but as if it's going across. I'm moving my hand. You can't even see me move my hand while I'm talking. I'm just going to go across. You'll see what I mean. And I'm doing all of those in the pink. Okay, here is the white. I didn't have a normal white nail polish, so I used this one, which is a crackle, and you see in a minute it starts to crackle and go funny. So if you can, use just a normal nail varnish, nail polish. If not, just use white acrylic paint. So we're dotting in the middle of all of those ones, and then I go back to that ring finger and I dot in the middle of each of those flowers some yellow. So we've got all of our little flowers. Then we are gonna, or we're not going to, I'm going to just do some white dots around on that middle finger, just because I thought it might look a bit prettier. I don't know. It's just playing about. I'm just making it up as I go along. So there. So, and as you can see that that white is starting to crackle slightly. Okay, so the green, that is the only colour green that I could find. I've got so many nail polishers, I can't, they're all in a big box and I can't find any colour that I want. So yeah, so it was just a kind of like a neon green. So and obviously that green represents the leaves, but I wanted to stick with the dotting. So the little green dots are the leaves. Okay. Okay. Continue that on each of the nails and on your other one, and that's them done. Just going to top it off with a top coat, which I did not film because, to be honest, I almost forgot to put a top coat on. I don't know how I forgot that, but yes, so I did put a top coat on, and this is how they came out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!